Hi, I'm Joan from Slaughterbeck Floors, and today we're talking about protecting that brand new hardwood floor that you just had installed. It's very important to protect your floors from scratches as much as possible, and one of the ways you can do it on the legs of your chairs that you use most frequently, like in the dining room or if you have living room chairs, is putting felt. Felt comes in a variety of sizes. These happen to be little round discs, but you can get sheets of felt at most hardware stores. You can cut it to size and put it on the bottom, the legs of your chairs, your built-in, cabinets and so forth. Really heavy furniture like pianos, big heavy ottomans, couches and so forth, we suggest using furniture cups. That helps to displace or disperse the weight so it's not all in one spot causing a dent in your floor. But protection of your floors is very important.